Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this lesson I'll show you how to draw fashion model dressed in a pledging skin-tight black Balenciaga outfit.